Hi guys, I'm back with an unboxing video today. In this video, I'm going to unbox one maxi dress and one dangri trouser from Jabong. Let's get started. This is the dangri style trouser I have got. This one is a striped trouser. I have bought this for 750 rupees. It has an elastic waist. And this is a high rise waist pattern. And it has dangri style straps linked with a metal ring. This fabric is kind of polyester. I do not like the fabric quality much, but when you wear it looks good. The length of this trouser is long. It comes till ankle. And it also fits me perfectly. It's a kind of loose fit trouser. And the elastic quality is also very nice. It's not too tight or too loose. This waist elastic is just given on the back. On the front it does not have any elastic. Except the fabric quality, everything is nice. This trouser looks very casual and it is perfect to wear in summers. It's so comfortable and light. You can pair this trouser with a black or white top, or if you want a more bright look you can go with the orange. So moving on to the next one. Now the next one is a long maxi dress. It is a floral maxi dress. They had also given a fabric belt to tie around the waist. It is quite lengthy. I generally like floral patterns, so I have decided to buy it. This one cost me 630 rupees with tax. This maxi dress has button closures and it has a waist elastic band. This maxi dress has long sleeves. You can also fold it up using this button strap. It has a collar neck. When coming to the fabric, it is a blended fabric. It's a kind of crepe plus polyester mixed one. They have not provided any lining to this. This maxi is a bit loose for me, but because of this elastic, it adjusts well. So you no need to alter this. This maxi would have been much better if they had given a good quality fabric. Among these two, I like this dangri trouser so much. It looks very stylish and trendy. So this is the unboxing video today. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you want me to do more unboxing videos, let me know. And finally, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.